Hi there everybody, this is a video for my Texas Chainsaw collection. I thought I'd do another quick, well not a quick video, but a video of something else, so I decided to do my Texas ones. This is all of my Texas ones apart from one. I'm waiting for the 3-disc special edition of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, which hasn't turned up yet, but I'm waiting for it. Anyway, let's go. First ones are the remakes. So this is Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Beginning, the unrated 2 Shocking for Theaters edition. So yeah, it's got a cool cover. It's kind of like a leathery texture to it here. Nice slipcase. So you pull that out, and just there you go. You get a different face. That's that one. This one you get a excuse me, a feature, deleted scenes for audio commentary, and the film's got a commentary, and then you got a behind the scenes, and side there you got the disc. That's about it. Nothing overly special. The next one's quite a cool box, and it is the remake. It's Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I got the Canadian one, so it's got some French on it, which is a bit annoying. So on this side it's in English, but you turn over this side, it's in French. But this has got lots of extras. It's got commentaries, deleted scenes, alternative endings, makings of, just piles of stuff. It's in a very cool box as well. So you pull that out and you get that box, and then you pull this out and you get this, which is a metal face plate, which is very cool. It's just the metal one of the front cover. But yeah, so when you fold it out, it folds out to a chainsaw, which is very cool. There you go, yeah. Hopefully you can see that chainsaw. Yeah, same on the other side, so if you got the discs. At this end you get a nice poster, a little mini poster. You can get the evidence, which is quite cool. So it came all sealed. Read it out. And then the evidence, I'll show it. We've got cards with pictures of Leatherface and the evidence information, which is, oops, sorry, very cool. Another one. More evidence. Use the last one, Leatherface's chainsaw. Evidence cards there. So that's very cool. So yeah, that's the remake box, which I would have preferred the American one with just without the French on it, but I got sent this one. When I ordered it, they didn't tell me it was this cover, so I was a bit annoyed when it turned up, but at least I got it. Oh, I just found out you can fit the metal bit in there. Didn't. So yeah, fold it up nicely and it goes back in. So that's the remake, which I quite liked. A lot of people don't like it, but I quite liked it. The beginning one, which I don't think was that great. But yeah, next up, we come to the original. I've got a few of these at the minute. I've got 3, but like I said at the start, I'm waiting for my 3-disc one. So that'll make up 4 DVDs. But this is one of my, because these are banned in the UK. This is my favourite video nasty film. And the first DVD I got is this one. This came out quite a while ago. It's the first release in UK. So it's got this. You get a token to get this poster, which I have got, and it is there on the door. Very cool poster. I'm going to be moving that because it keeps getting bumped and I don't want it to get ripped. So yeah, on this first DVD you get 72 makings of The Shocking Truths, director and crew interviews, 16-page booklet which I'll show, full-length commentary by Tony Hooper and photographer Daniel Pearl, and the star Gunnar Henson. There's Leatherface, of course. And you get deleted scenes and alternative footage, outtakes, original trailers, TV ads, sequel trailers, still poster and lobby cards, and a link to thechainsaw.com. So yeah, it's in a nice cardboard box. So you pull this out. And that's the box it comes with. And then you get this box. That's the front, which is the same as that one. And you get the back with more information. Anyway, and then there's this. These bits of paper are in here so that it doesn't get squashed, because of it being a cardboard box, if you squeeze it. Yeah, this bit's quite squeezy, so I don't want to buckle the side of this bit. So that's why that bit's of paper here, but that's the disc. And you get this nice booklet as well, which is, well, I'll show you that. Here, there you get the chapter index. Yeah, and you get this nice booklet. So that page. You get this page. And then this page. So this is basically telling you stuff about the film, how it was made, and the actors and actresses, and who. It's got the story of Ed Gein information. There we go. And the biography of Tony Hooper. And there you go. And there's the information on how to get your free poster. I'll tell you what it says. Because the date ended in 2003. So to receive your original full-size theatre poster, please send a postcard, any postcard, with your full name and address, along with a cheque for $1.99 covering the postage. So you send that off and you get that poster. And that's that one. Anyway, that's it for this part. Please subscribe and leave some comments. Anyway, I'll see you again in part 2 of my Texas Chainsaw Massacre collection. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.